Hey, how you guys doing, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your domain for your website at Digitree. All right, so we're in my laptop, we're in my computer now. As you can see, we're in the website settings. So if you go to the website settings and you go to domain, right, this is what you're gonna see, right? So you wanna go to connect an existing domain, right? Then you're gonna put your business domain name, right? So I usually recommend all my clients to go to Namecheap, or any of my friends go to Namecheap. There's a bunch of different places where you can buy domains, but Namecheap is the one I recommend. And if you follow along in this video, it's pretty much simple, and this is pretty universal when it comes to hooking up your domain with any domain seller, right? So it's pretty much universal. So you're going to put your domain name in, right? And then you're going to see these host name, record type, value, like all that information. You want to keep this information because you're going to be adding this to the DNS records in your domain settings, right, at your domain seller, right? So we're going to copy the host name value right here, right, the 34, all that good stuff, right? You're going to come to your domain, right, and then you're going to go to manage, right? So you go to domain list and you're going to go to manage, right? And then you're going to go to advanced DNS. Right now, you see it says no records found because we haven't added anything, right? So you're going to go to add new record. And when you go to add new record, we're going to copy, the A record and the at. You're going to put the host, as at, and then the IP address, right? You're going to paste that into that value section, right? And then we're going to go back. You want to make sure you save it, right? We're going to go back to the domain Digitree, and we want to grab the CNAME records, like all that information. So you're going to put your domain, your actual domain name, into the CNAME record, right? So you're going to go back to the DNS records. You're going to click CNAME record and www for the host, and then we're going to paste that, that domain that you bought, right? I mean, this isn't the domain. So whatever your domain name is, you're going to put that in that value section, and then we're going to click the check mark, right? And you want to give this a little bit of time, right? It's not going to be instant, right? Sometimes it takes a couple minutes, sometimes it takes 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and things like that. So you want to give it some time, and it's pretty much going to be live, right? Websites are going to be live, and that's pretty much it, right? So that's it for the video. The video is super simple. And if you guys, if you guys haven't known, I haven't made a video telling you guys, but if you go to Digitree, right, and you go to your builder, you can click Academy, right, in the tabs, right? So I'm gonna act like I'm just in the builder, and you're gonna click Academy, right? And these tabs, right, these videos is all the training you need to get up and running, right? I'm gonna be trying to put all these videos onto YouTube, to help you guys out. But if you're in the builder and you just go to Academy, that's all the information you need to get up and running, to get your business live, and, to get it looking professional. We also have some SEO information to help you with your SEO, to help you get found on Google and all that cool stuff as well, right? So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.